Choriocarcinoma of the ovary, another germ cell tumor of the ovary. Now, before discussing this tumor, I must tell you that most of the choriocarcinomas which are involving the ovary are due to metastasis from the uterine tumors. There are very rare primary ovarian choriocarcinomas which can develop from an ovarian pregnancy, and they are called gestational type of ovarian choriocarcinoma, which are the commonest type, or as a form of germ cell neoplasm, which are called non-gestational type of choriocarcinoma. Non-gestational type of choriocarcinoma is an example of extra-embryonic differentiation of malignant germ cells. Pure choriocarcinomas are rare, seen in children and young adults. Presents with an adnexal mass, pain or hemoperitoneum. Serum levels of HCG are elevated, manifesting as isosexual precocious puberty in children, but when they are seen in adults, ectopic pregnancy is suspected. Gross features: mostly unilateral, solid, grayish-white, hemorrhagic tumors with areas of necrosis. Now, the other features depend upon the presence of other germ cell components. Microscopic features: mostly they are the components of a mixed germ cell tumor and are characterized by a mixture of cytotrophoblast and sensitiotropoblast. The cytotrophoblastic cells are present in the center within the tumor, surrounded by sensitiotropoblast. Hemorrhages are a frequent feature. Mononucleated cytotrophoblastic cells have clear cytoplasm and obvious cell borders, small centrally placed nucleus which is rounded, hyperchromatic with prominent nucleoli. At places, the nuclei are vesicular. Multinucleated sensitiotrophoblasts, they are multinucleated cells which are large, having basophilic vacuolated cytoplasm and many hyperchromatic nuclei. Immunohistochemistry: HCG, PLAP stains sensitiotrophoblastic cells, cytokeratin stains cytotrophoblastic and sensitiotrophoblastic cells, human placental lactogen, that is HPL, stains sensitiotrophoblastic cells. HCG is going to highlight cytotrophoblasts. The ovarian primaries are aggressive tumors that have generally metastasized widely through the bloodstream to the lungs, liver, bone, and other viscera at the time of diagnosis. When comparing with choriocarcinoma arising in the placental tissue, those which are arising in the ovary are unresponsive to chemotherapy and are often fatal. Treatment: highly malignant tumor which spreads locally intra-abdomen through blood vessels and lymphatics. Treatment consists of surgery and chemotherapy. This is the photograph which shows histological features of choriocarcinoma. You can well see multinucleated sensitiotrophoblasts, and there are centrally placed cytotrophoblasts